All right, we're doing a little progress video for Dale, and we're gonna send this off to Mighty Dale. So I think he's seen all this. Stevie got all those carbs done. We're doing a re-restoration on this. So we've got some stuff added, so we want to go over some stuff.
Put the floorboards on, the kickstand.
All right, so here we go. So he's got the generator cover painted, air breather painted. Starter, we'll get to that on the other side. All right, so here is, the frame is the same paint that we shot it in whatever it was, 2010, I think, when we finished this bike. It looks like it came out really nice. Now there's a couple things on these floorboards. There's some, you know, where it's broken through to the powder coat. So I guess we're asking Dale, do you want us to reshoot these floorboards?
The shifter and the brake pedal, Dale, I did not put re-chrome ones on because it looks...
Yeah, it looks good. It cleaned up okay.
Yeah.
And this rod, like this brake rod, we cleaned it, blasted it, and painted it with some cat paint, which is really a good quality paint. So it looks good. It looks like it's cat plated. We've got new crash bars on the back, or re-chromed, I should say. Yeah. So these went back in for re-chroming. We still got to do wheels. Those aren't back yet. Polish the rear drive. That we're not worried about that right now. And here's the starter. Let's show them this.
Who painted that starter?
I don't know.
Did Lindy Lou paint that?
Really beautiful.
And
it does look nice.
The floorboards are new. This is new. I put all this on the chrome kickstand.
All right, so the re-chrome, the crash bar, side stand. This got what, repainted or what?
No, I didn't repaint it.
You just cleaned
I cleaned it up.
All right, that just got cleaned up, so that came out okay.
Yeah.
So the side stand looks nice. All that looks good. So this floorboard has a couple little teeny scuffs on. I mean, they get scuffed up anyways because your feet. So I don't know. If you want us to reshoot the floorboard pads, we'll redo that. Shifter looks nice. That's just cleaned up.
Yeah, that was...
Stevie did the same thing on this.
Look, I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but I mean, I could put new chrome on there if you want.
I mean, we could put another chrome one on,
yes,
but anyways.
It doesn't look bad.
Okay, so anyways, there you go. I don't know how picky Dale wants it.
Yeah.
So Stevie's got some polish.
I painted all this shit black and inside the crash bar. So.
All right. So anyways, there, we're coming along. Oh, I don't think we showed them the spotlights. Did you just get those on today?
Yeah.
Or yesterday?
Well, the turn signals, I did these.
So the spotlights and turn signals got re-chromed.
I think the spotlights you saw already.
Yeah, I think we did a video on that.
Yeah, we did.
Anyways, these spotlights are re-chromed. The old ones were all rusty, so all this is cleaned up and nice.
This is all rusty too.
That was all rusty. That got re-chromed.
The lights got re-chromed.
You got to put new lenses in too, didn't you?
Yeah, one of them was cracked and they just look like shit.
All right, so anyways, Dale, there you go.
New gaskets in there too.
The front stays look good. It's got dust on it right now, but
yeah,
and the wheels are not done, so we still got to do that. But all right, this is for Dale, and we'll see if
I'll put some new chrome or stainless acorns on.
And it's got a temporary center stand. That's because I don't think Dale wants a center stand on anyway.
I didn't have one when it came in, but it's a lot easier to work on with the center stand on it.
All right, Dale. Let us know what you think. Thanks, and say goodbye, Stevie.
Bye. See you, Dale. See you guys. Thanks.